Hello viewers, welcome to Ebase Smart Solutions. We are here with the installation video of Ebase GL20i glass digital door locks. The uniqueness of this glass door lock is that it suits sliding doors, aluminum doors at 10 to 15 mm glass thickness without punching any holes in it. Now, let's look at the parts of the lock. This is Allen key, front panel, lock holder and a tape. Using the GL20i, place the lock on the glass door and tighten the screws only through an Allen key. And stick the tape to the glass which is given. Make sure it is tight enough. Later, take the back panel and tighten the screws. Now, using the lock holder, place the holder opposite to the lock where the knob falls correctly to the holder. Further, stick the tape and tighten the screws. Now install 4 AA batteries to start the lock. Your GL20i Ebase digital glass door lock is ready to use.